Welcome back, friends. So in this video we are going to create a new file which name will be OrderList.php, and after creating successful invoice or after inserting successful data into database using of this save order button, we will redirect on OrderList.php page. Okay, so for that task we need to create a page OrderList.php. So you can see here we have a comment out this header function. Now let's uncomment this and let's copy OrderList.php name from here, copy, and let's create a new file in UI folder. Click for the new file, paste and enter, and we can copy the code from blank.php. Let's select all from blank.php, copy the code, and let's go back on OrderList.php and paste it here. Now let's save and let's see the output. Localhost, now order list. Perfect. Okay, let's go on product list, and from the product list we can copy this code. Okay, now let's go back on order list and paste it here, save, and from the product list we can copy the code, but before this let me write here order list in the heading. Okay, and here also I can give orders. Okay, and I can remove this anchor tag and p tag also from here, save, and let's refresh our page. Perfect. And you can see here the product list.php, so we can simply copy the code from product list.php file for saving our time. So let's go on product list.php file, and from here, from the table code I can copy. Okay, so let me copy the code of the table. We just need to change the query. Okay, so first let me copy and let's come back on OrderList.php and paste it here, and now let's add it. Here we don't need the barcode, and we need here first invoice ID, so let's give here invoice ID. The actions icon. Okay, let's save and let's first see the output of our order list. Perfect, invoice ID, but here the product list data we are seeing, so we need to see the data from TBL. You can see here TBL underscore invoice. We need to see invoice ID, order date, total amount, payment type, due and paid. Okay, so what we can do, simply we can change in the SQL query. So here I can give TBL underscore invoice by invoice underscore ID. Okay, so that is the column name of our table. You can see here invoice underscore ID. So we have passed here, and simply what I want to show here, so first remove this barcode, and here I want to show simple invoice ID, and in the second I want to show the order date, and let's see the order date column name. You can see here order underscore date, and the column name total, payment type, due and paid. and after the order date I can show the total. Okay, and after the total I can show the paid amount and then due. Perfect. And after the due I can show here the payment type. Perfect. And let's remove this image TD. We don't want to show the image here, so let's remove this. And here we have the button groups. So in the button groups, first of all let's see the output. Okay, it's showing us error. So where it's showing us error? On line number 88. So I think here we need to pass invoice ID instead of PID. Okay, so let me copy this and let pass here and here and here. Okay, now let's save and let's see the output. Perfect. Now you can see here invoice ID, order date, total amount of the order, and the paid amount by the customer, and the due amount you can see here, and we can see here the payment type cash. Okay, and you can see here the actions icons. Okay, we will change the action icons also from here for printing the bill and for edit the order and delete the order. And we will use here data table plugin also for our list. So I hope you got this what I have done here in this video. Simply we just copy the code from the product list which we have learned in the previous videos, and we have just changed the table name here and the ID name here, and we have just passed here the column names, which column values we want to show from the database. Okay, and in the next videos we will continue and we will change the icons, and we will give here the files names, and we will remove some buttons from here. Okay, so see you in next video.